Hello students, good morning. How are you today and how was your night? I hope your home study, you've been finding the home study very interesting, and I hope you've been having much more time to study. That is very important, okay? Okay, yesterday or from last week we've been talking about time, and we've talked about 24-hour timetable, 12-hour timetable. We've done a review on how to tell the time, and yesterday we equally looked at calendars. We looked at how to read calendars. We've talked about how to tell time intervals, how to convert units of time, and by now I believe every one of you has a perfect understanding of those topics. Now today we're going to zone the time. I know you're wondering what you mean by zone the time, but we're going to see what exactly it means as we go ahead in the lesson. All right, it's lesson 11 and unit 4. And of course, we're talking about time zone. Our student book should be on page 214 to 215, and the workbook is page 195. See, we don't have so much to do on time zones, but you have to pay close attention. All right? Okay, so let's go ahead to our objective. At the end of this lesson, we must be able to understand the different time zones in the world. Now, I know you're wondering in your mind, you may be wondering, what does she mean by time zone? We're still talking about time, but do you notice that there are times that the time in Qatar is different from the time in another country? Yes, I know by now you know. That's what we mean by time zone. That means Qatar is in a different zone from that country that has a different time. Okay? So we must be able to understand how the time works in different zones. How do we know? Who tells them that that's supposed to be the time? How do they know that that's supposed to? Do they all turn their clocks and just put the time there? How do we know? So that's what we're going to be learning. And then we'll be able to tell the time intervals. Ultimately, we must be able to tell the time intervals between different zones in the world. Okay? All right. I heard somebody say, what? There are too many countries. How would I be able to do that? Well, it's easy. You see the map we have here is going to make things very easy because it has, stated all the zones already. So it's easy for us to be able to tell. So let's get into the lesson.